How to make money by selling digital products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make money by selling printable art prints for nursery or kids' rooms on Etsy. So let's get started by typing etsy.com in the search just to show you the examples of the product that you will be selling. So here, let's wait for it to load, and here let's type the name of the product and click on search to see all of your competitors and the people that are already selling this kind of products. And guys, in today's video I'm going to take you to show you these products, and also I'm going to show you a tool that you can use in order to spy on the shops and also in order to find out the trending products and the products that are working or not, in order to choose wisely the product that you are going to work on. And third, I'm going to show you how you can create products of your own, like the ones that we will be seeing in Etsy, or like the ones that people are selling on Etsy. So here, let's choose this one in here, which is popular now: kids room wall art prints, 18 nursery wall. Let's check this one here. Let's wait for it to load. Here you can see kids room wall art prints, 18 nursery wall prints, color for nursery decor, calm baby posters, set gallery wall, digital printable art. And here, by scrolling down, you will be able to learn more about the item. And guys, the reason why I like digital products more than physical products is that in digital products you won't have to deal with the problems that are available in the physical products. So for example, in physical products you will need to find the product first, package it, pay for the packaging, and also restore it in somewhere, and also pay for the restoring. Then when it comes to delivering, you will need again to deliver the product and pay for the delivering. Find the best company that can deliver your products fast. If you didn't deliver them in time, the client will cancel. If the client cancels, you will need to refund the money. And also, if the client gets the product and didn't like it, you will have to deal with returns as well. So there are a lot of problems to deal with when it comes to physical products. But when we are talking about digital products, you won't have to deal with none of that. There are no refunds in digital products, no returns, nothing like that, no shipping, no packaging. You will just upload the file here, and whenever the client pays for the product, they will get their file immediately, and you won't have to deal with any of the clients, and also no refunds, no returns on digital products. So here I'm going to take you to the tool I have talked about, which will help us decide which product is working and which is not working, and also will help us know the trending products that are available in this niche on Etsy. So here, let's sign up for free, and let's wait for it to load. Give it a few seconds to load. And here, let's go to the shop analytics or the shop analyzer. Let's first wait for it to complete loading. And here, let's go to the shop analyzer. Here, give it a few seconds to complete loading. And here, let's type the shop analyzer here. That's not what we want to look for. First, let's go take the name of this shop here, Lana Eleanor. Let's copy the name of the shop, then let's paste it on here, click on search, and then we will be able to see their total listings, when did this shop start, and their total sales throughout the years or the months or even the days that they started in. So here, I think this is the product that we are looking at right now, but this one costs $8. But this is the product we are looking at right now. It was listed 6 months ago, and here this is the shop's age, 68 months this shop was created. And here we have the total shop sales, more than 32,000 sales, which is a lot of sales, guys, and that's a lot of money that this shop made. So here, wait for it to complete loading. We are going to see how many, the amount or how much sales they have made with this product throughout the total sales, and also the monthly sales. So here we are going to decide that based on the reviews. But before that, let's see how many reviews this product got. More than 3,000 reviews, which means this is not the product we want to look for. This one only has 2 reviews and it was listed 1 month ago. We need the one which is, let's check another one here. For example, let's check this one which has 1,000 favorites. So here it was listed 12 months ago, which is a year. 58 reviews, which is approximately 116 sales in total, and here approximately 8 sales per month. So if you can just do the math, multiply 12 by 4 or multiply 12 by 8, and you'll be able to know the amount of money this shop is making with this product only. So with that being said, guys, I think you understand now the idea of digital products and why they are and why you can make a lot of money using them. So I'm going to take you to another page where you are going to create products like those for your own, which is canva.com. So here you will be able to create the exact same products. So here we will just go to the search, type the name of the product, which is printable art prints for nursery and or kids rooms. So here let's type the name, and you will be able to see a lot of templates that you can use in order to create your own products. So here let's wait for it to load, and you will be able to see a lot of product or templates like these ones, and you'll be able to add your own touch to these templates, and you'll have your own product ready to be sold to the clients. So here you have a lot like this one here, dream big, little one. You can just take this one here, drop it in a frame like this one, for example here, drop that in a frame or not. You can just collect these pictures and add them like this in here, and you will be able to sell them for $8 or $8.40 each, or in total, or as you want. And here also you can just take pictures like this and create things like that. Here we have another one here, dream big, little one. So you can easily create this product, and then you can just take it to Etsy, list it there, and you will have your own product ready to make money with. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.